So friends, welcome to another altcoin update video. I continue to go through your list and take a look at all the projects you have requested in the Telegram group. So feel free to check it out. The link is definitely in the video description below. If you have any further requests, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will gradually take a look at all the altcoins. But as I said, today it should first be about Vechain, an older project, more of a dinosaur coin, which has already had one or two runs behind it. We currently have a market cap of 3.4 billion, a maximum supply of 86 billion, and 85 are in circulation. So most of it has already been mined. I don't think I need to say much more about Vechain, so let's dive straight into the chart. Still, before we start, leave a like, subscribe, and join the Telegram group. And if you want to buy Vechain or anything else or stake, I can only recommend my partner exchange Binks. The link is in the video description. This supports the channel and of course also you and me. So now let's get into it. Vechain currently at 0.04. We have had a solid run in the last few days. If we look at our buying box, which was down at nearly 0.02, up to the top is 118%. And you know what that usually means? 100. I have taken my investment out and now we just wait. And this is now, to be honest, the second time. Because anyone who has been watching the videos for a while or who watches all the altcoin update videos knows that we already entered down here in 2001 at 0.016, then took the run up, and that was also a decent percentage. If we only look from the upper edge to the top here, it was 223. That means we have now made this move for the second time and thus made at least 200% profit here. How do we proceed from here? So we have had a decent run behind us. A consolidation in Bitcoin would really not be bad, so that we could at least aim for this top here at 0.054 cents. Otherwise, if we look at the smaller time frames, it also looks very, very good for consolidation at the moment. This means that the consolidation could theoretically push us a bit higher. We even have the formation of a symmetrical triangle at the moment, and if we also look at the price target, I'm not going too high because I tend to be a bit more pessimistic, and if we just take this point here, we see that it would almost reach all the way to the top here. So the new breakout target would be our last high that we had over here. Technically, I'm not trading it at the moment. The only altcoins I'm trading are Solana, Ethereum, and maybe Doge or something like that, or if something comes up. So technically not trading, but it might be interesting for you to take profits. Whoever finds this zone relevant, how does it continue? If you are not in yet, I would definitely hope for a pullback, or for those who don't want to wait, invest 25% now and then slowly hedge in. I always say this in every altcoin video here. Otherwise, in my opinion, there are still good opportunities here if we come back down to this price range of 0.03 to just under 0.028. Down there lies the golden pocket. We have a strong daily demand zone here, and this is exactly where the pump started. This means there would be a lot of liquidity down here, and we could come back in, giving you another chance, and then continue this breakout upwards. Otherwise, the old buying zones have not changed at 0.02 and 0.016. I don't believe we will reach that again, but it is a possibility in the larger context. If we take a quick look at this, we have of course formed a huge double bottom by now. We can also take a quick look at the breakout target. To do this, we simply draw from our upper edge. I will really do it now down to the low, set it up here, and then we would see that it would perfectly go up to just under 0.10. There would also be our next resistance zone in this price range, so it would fit very well with this breakout level and bring us nearly 500% from our entry. What are my price targets? It's always a bit difficult to say. I always stick to the 4 levels here, meaning from our all-time high down to our bear market bottom would be number 1 price target, of course, will now initially be this large resistance box up here at 10 cents, and the second major hurdle will be these 17 cents. So those are the zones. Anything above that, we can think about afterwards. But those are my 2 major take profit zones. It is often said that when a dino coin or an altcoin has had such a run, it is difficult for them to reach their old all-time high again. We will see. For me, Vechain is still an interesting project where, in my opinion, it is definitely worth investing again during pullbacks. Feel free to share your opinion in the comments now. Are you already invested? Would you invest more? And what are your price targets? Write it down below. Otherwise, that's it for today's video. Leave a like, subscribe, join the Telegram group, and I thank you for listening. Until next time, bye bye, and as always, stay.